What's the meaning of bumpkin? Bumpkin. Bumpkin.
Bumpkin. Bumpkin.
The term bumpkin typically refers to a person who is considered unsophisticated or uncultured, often from a rural or provincial background. This can be viewed as a derogatory label or a stereotype, implying a lack of education, refinement, or social grace. The word might evoke images of someone wearing outdated or unfashionable clothing, speaking with a regional accent, or displaying a general lack of knowledge about urban or cosmopolitan life. However, it is important to note that such assumptions are often unfair and inaccurate, as people from all backgrounds can possess intelligence, kindness, and valuable perspectives.